Alright, first of all, huge thanks for all the comments and all the love in comment section in the past few videos. That really made my day. In the first part of this video, I shared the process on how you can get the OnePlus Dialer app on the OnePlus 8T and Nord. And now that all of it is working fine, well, here is a way to replace all the Google apps, that is the Dialer, Messages and Contacts app on your OnePlus Nord or 8T. And I got many comments saying that it is not working and other complaints too. So I'll address all of those issues in this video. First of all, make sure you are on OxygenOS 11 based on Android 11, else none of this will work and some applications might crash or even give parsing error. And that is to be expected, right? Because these are made for Android 11 only. Now coming to the next part, that is the installation. So the process is similar to whatever you normally do with any application. Tap on the application, hit install button and most importantly, set it as default. And that is what we are going to do in this video for all three applications. So just stay with me, alright? This is going to be quick and easy. First of all, just download all three applications from the link in description area, and it has all three apps, that is OnePlus Messages, Phone and Contacts. So once you have downloaded all the applications, well, half of the task is already done. Now you just have to install these and set them as default. And I'm going to do this side by side both on OnePlus Nord and 8T just to be on the same page and cater to the users of both. Let's start with the Dialer or phone application first. So hit that install button and once it's done, simply hit that open button and it will ask you to set it as default application. And this is mandatory if you wish to use it every time. Plus don't worry, it won't eat up that much of battery and as such nothing significant, at least in my time with it. Next step would be to enable that auto call recording, and to do that just go to settings and in here enable the call recording option. And if you want auto call recording as well, turn on that too. And you can change it to all or for unknown contacts only, so that is totally up to you. So it works just fine and I have been using it for a couple of days at least, and I can definitely say that. Also, this OnePlus Nord is on Open Beta 1 and the OnePlus 8T is on 11.0.6.7 version of the OxygenOS, just in case you wanted to know. Next, we have the OnePlus Messages app. So just tap on install and once it's done, choose the default application as shown, the one with the green icon. Hit this set as default button and you are done. It works fine on the OnePlus Nord and 8T both and has that one-handed and full dark mode compatibility, which a lot of you were asking in the comment section. So I hope this clears it out once and for all. Also about the updates of these applications, well, I would say just don't touch them if they're working fine for you. I mean, just don't update what is already fixed, right? As they might stop working or create issues, and if by any chance there is a groundbreaking update on how we call the other person, well, I'm there to update that, alright. Coming to the last one, and that is the Contacts application. So just like the other two, tap on the install button, give the contacts permission and you are all set. Just drag and drop that on your home screen or whatever you feel like. And one last thing, you must be having multiple apps in your app drawer, and just to avoid confusion, there is no need to uninstall the Google ones. Just long press on each app, tap on the info button and hit disable, and this will take them away from the app drawer once and for all. So I hope it looks better and less confusing now. Anyways, that's it for this video. Also, the full review of OxygenOS 11 on OnePlus Nord will come after thorough testing. So do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and hit that like button. So I'll see you in the next one.